If you are still taking your time to know more about the iOS 18, and now you want to learn how you can add widgets to your iPhone home screen just like this, then this video is going to detail how to add widgets on iOS 18. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Mark you, there are two ways to add widgets to your iPhone iOS 18. You can convert existing application to widget or add widgets straight to the home screen. So first, let me show you how to convert existing application on the home screen to widget. So just press and hold the application. Once you press and hold the application like this, you're going to see different menu comes up. If you click on this small widget icon, you're going to see the app icon change to widget. If you repeat the same thing again, you're going to see this change to a longer widget. That's rectangular. Click on this again. Then this is going to change on their widget. If you click on it again, you can just reverse it back to the widget size it was. So this works on all applications that support widgets on your iPhone. So if it doesn't support widgets on your iPhone, you will not be able to convert the app label or app icon to widget on your iPhone. So that's one of the ways you can use to add widgets on iPhone. Another way you can use to add our certain widget on your iPhone is just press and hold the iPhone home screen. And once you see all the applications, you can just like this. Go ahead and click on Edge at top left. Then select Add Widget. You see that? So go ahead and click on that. Once you select Add Widget, you're going to see Search Widget. Now here, you want to scroll down, search the widget you want to add. So in this case, let's say I want to add the weather widget. Click on that. Then here, you have access to the different weather widgets you can set. So these are the different weather widgets we can add. So scroll through it and then add the one you want to add. And then decide the one you want to add. Once you decide the one you want to add to the iPhone, just go ahead and click on Add Widgets. Once you click on Add Widget, you're going to see the widget added to your iPhone just like this. And then for you to save the settings, just go ahead and click on Done. Once you hit the No button, then the widget will be added to your iPhone home screen. So that is basically how to add widgets on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.